The absolute value of A represents the number of units or distance that a number is from 0. Distance is never negative, so numbers that are opposites have the same absolute value. In this first example, they're asking us to find the absolute value of -3. In other words, its distance from 0 on the number line. So if we just take a look to illustrate this, here's 0, here's -3, and they're asking us the distance between those two. Again, distance is always positive, so our answer is 3. The absolute value of -6.3 to 0 is what they're asking us. Distance being positive, our answer is 6.3 is the distance between that number and 0. If a number is non-negative, which this is the case, its absolute value is the number itself. If a number is negative, its absolute value is its opposite, which is 3. The last example, they're asking us for the absolute value of 0. Since 0 is 0 units from itself, the distance or absolute value is 0.